Today I'm being called. This house has a rat problem inside the crawl space, and so first we have to make an inspection how they're getting inside, and then we will go with the trapping program. From here we see it's everything is fine, but and there is no entry hole, but when I put my finger inside, then I can see that there is some kind of hole over here. In order to see it properly, I'm gonna use my front side camera and show you. So here is now the front side camera, and you can see that they are going inside through this, and there is a clear opening over here. But when you see from the outside, nobody can say that there is a hole. But when we go deep inside, you can see there is a clear hole over here. And if you look into the garage, you see there is quite a bit of opening, so the garage door is not sitting properly, not touching the side wall, so there is a good enough opening so they can sneak inside. So they should call the garage guy to fix up the garage. When we come onto the side of the house, especially in case of crawl vent, we should look into the vents which goes into the crawl space. In this case, you see there is a vent going inside the crawl space, and most of the time the cable guy, other people, when they're running their wire, they go through these vents, and you can see in this case the wires is going to the vent, and there is the big hole. So they did their job, but they make an entry for the rodents problem. So now I'm going to fix up this one too. So see, now I am inside the crawl space, and this is the crawl space. And we can see the insulation is fallen down, and there is evidence of rat droppings. It's a very tight crawl space. Can clearly see that there is evidence of rat droppings. So we're going to set up a trapping program here. No poison, because if they die inside, they're going to stink. First we have to block up the entry points too. I come inside the crawl space and I move the insulation, and then you can see there is a hole over here. This hole is here since this house was built. So they are also using this hole and coming inside. So I need to block up that hole too. So now we block up the hole with the screen so that they cannot come inside from here. So occlusion is very important. Unless you stop them from coming inside, they will keep on coming inside. So you have to find out the entry points. See, now I block this area with the screen, so now this area is also screened off. See, now from the outside I block this area properly with the cement so they cannot chew up. So now we did the exclusion work, we set up the trapping programming side. Now I'm going to be back in a week, and we'll check up the traps, how many we got inside the traps. We'll keep the trapping program for a couple of 3-4 weeks, and everything should be fine. Thanks for watching.